The workshop with the theme Eco-STEM Trailblazers is a workshop that we have run for 2 years now. And the main purpose of the workshop is to make sure that we are able to bring up change agents from the girls that are in secondary school. And every year we gather 60 students, female students that are in STEM, and bring them to the university campus, and we teach them aspects of the concepts of climate change, how they will conserve their environment, how they will reduce their carbon footprint, how they can even prepare for the rainy season, so that when they get back to their school and also to their community, they are able to bring into perception, bring into use, bring into action all that we have exposed them to at this 4-day workshop.
Whether we like it or not, the effects of climate change stare us in the face. Our rainfall patterns have changed. Sometimes the intensity of the rain, the wind speed, they have changed worldwide. And our coastal environments are being eroded. We find that in Lagos State, we can count the mangrove trees that remain within the environment. And for biology, we know that the mangrove trees are those that actually help us to sustain our coastal ridge. Because the green helps to absorb all the carbon that you put into the environment. So even within your space, encourage things like tree planting, shrub planting, to be able to have a cleaner space and a better environment. Don't cut down everything that looks green within your environment, apart from keeping it clean.
When we are talking about green chemistry, is a way of using chemistry to solve what? Climate change problems, environmental problems. Because most of the problems that has to do with environmental issues, climate change, are caused from the laboratory, whether industrial laboratory or our teaching laboratory. And chemistry has a lot of role to play when it comes to that. So green chemistry is an approach of looking for alternative materials that are eco-friendly in place of what? Dangerous, hazardous, and harmful chemicals.
The message we want the students on this workshop to take away is that they should consciously choose all whatever they are doing. Maybe it's the choice of food, the choice of transportation, the choice of cosmetics. All this goes a long way to affect the environment. So if you are shopping, go with your own shopping bag that can be what? Reused and used over again, rather than buying a polythene bag that you use and dispose to the environment.
Renewable energy are those type of energy that when we have exhausted it, we can still build it back. But when we talk about non-renewable energy, these type of energies are gotten from coal. Have you heard about coal before? Yes. Petroleum products. The moment that petroleum has finished with the devil will do what? To stop. Like our generator. When we are using the generator to power our house. But the moment the fuel has finished, no more light.
We are moving towards a renewable energy from coal, petroleum products, which is harmful to the environment and poisonous.
At Knit Up, we have taken the girls through a hands-on session, artificial intelligence combined with Internet of Things, as well as additive manufacturing. We want them to be confident and be sure that they can actually be the next developers of the AI algorithms of the future, the AI models of the future, and they can be the ones creating technology that will help us to have a better environment in the future and that will help us to sustain humans here on the planet Earth.
I've actually learned a lot of things in different aspects. I learned about the environment, which is paramount to all of us. They taught us about laboratory experiments. They showed us how the respiratory system works. We did an experiment. They gave us the required instruments, the materials needed. We used all those instruments to show us how our respiratory organs work, how they work together as one to make us to breathe in, breathe out, and other things. They even taught us about outstanding female scientists that we have to inspire to become, like Mary Curie and the likes of them, Katherine Johnson. They taught us about how we can be trailblazers on our own. The experiments, we did different series because they brought battery, wire, LED lights, and some other things. They taught us how to even make the fan rotating, which is even beyond what we can learn within the classroom. It's a very educational program, and I gained a lot from it.
The program is funded by a network, Afretec Network, that the University of Lagos is part of. What we would like to have is to see them to fund it every year so that we can continue the process that we have started. They funded it for 2 years, and we are hoping that they will continue to fund it.